Sarah built a six-figure business, but couldn't afford to pay herself $3,000 a month. Sound familiar? If you're nodding your head right now, this video is going to change everything for you. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you'll have the exact 5-step system that helped Sarah and hundreds of other business owners finally pay themselves consistently while building real wealth for their future. Let me tell you about Sarah. She's a marketing consultant who worked 60 hours per week for 3 years straight. Her business was bringing in about $120,000 a year. Sounds amazing, right? But here's the painful truth. Sarah was living paycheck to paycheck. Every month, she'd look at her business account, see money coming in, but somehow there was never enough left to pay her. She was paying her contractors, covering software subscriptions, marketing costs. Everyone else got paid first, and the worst part, she had zero saved for retirement, zero in emergency funds. She was building wealth for everyone except herself. Sarah came to me frustrated, exhausted, and honestly, pretty scared. She said, I feel like I'm working for free in my own business. How is that even possible? Here's the thing, Sarah's story isn't unique. I've worked with hundreds of entrepreneurs, and this is the #1 problem I see. You pour your heart and soul into the business, you're building it, celebrating every sale, every new client, every milestone. When it comes to your financial future, you're stuck in this vicious cycle where your business expenses always come first. You take whatever's left over at the end of the month. You have no clear plan for taxes, for retirement, or even emergencies. You're constantly stressed about money despite running a profitable business. And the painful reality is this. If you don't fix this now, you're building a business that owns you instead of serving you. You're creating a job and you're not building wealth. The breaking point for Sarah came when her laptop died and she realized she didn't even have $2,000 in her personal account to replace it. She had to use a credit card for a $2,000 emergency in a 6-figure business. She looked at me and said, I feel like a fraud. My clients think I'm successful, but I'm drowning. And that's when everything changed, because the pain, the frustration, that's actually your biggest asset. It means you're ready to go and do something different. Here's what I told Sarah, and what I'm telling you right now. This doesn't have to be your story. Imagine waking up every morning knowing exactly how much you're paying yourself this month. Picture having 6 months worth of expenses sitting in your emergency fund. Envision contributing the max to your retirement account while still growing your business. Sarah went from not being able to pay herself consistently to having $30,000 in emergency funds and maxing out her retirement contributions all within 18 months. And her business, it grew by 40% because she finally had the financial clarity to make smart decisions. What I'm about to share with you is the exact 5-step system that I've used with over 300 business owners. This isn't theory, this is a proven framework that works whether you're making $50,000 or $500,000 a year. But here's what I need you to do. Grab a pen and a paper right now. Don't just watch this passively. The entrepreneurs who transform their finances are the ones who take action on what they're learning. If you're serious about finally paying yourself like the successful business owner you are, hit the like button right now so I know you're with me. All right, so step #1, setting up a simplified accounting system that actually works. Sarah's first mistake, she was trying to track everything in her head. Receipts in different places, expenses scattered across multiple cards, no clear picture of her actual cash flow. Here's what we did instead. We used the 1-card rule. We got Sarah 1 business credit card for all of her business expenses. Not 2, not 3, 1. This single change made her bookkeeping 10x easier and ensured she'd never miss a tax deduction again. Then we set up what I call a 3-account system. And I want you to pause this video and I want you to write these down. Account #1, your sales revenue deposit account. Every single dollar from sales goes here first. This is your revenue hub. Sarah was shocked when she saw exactly how much money was actually coming in because it was getting mixed up with all the other expenses. Account #2, an operating account. This is where all business expenses get paid from. Payroll, overhead, software, and your salary. When money comes in, you transfer what you need to run the business into this specific account. Account #3, tax account. This was Sarah's game changer. Every month, she automatically moved 25% of the revenue from account number 1. No more scrambling at tax time, no more quarterly payment surprises. 3 months after implementing the system, Sarah told me for the first time in 3 years, I actually know where my money is going. It's like someone turned on the lights in a dark room. Step number 2, we're gonna set up a personal pay structure. Step 2 is where most business owners completely mess this up. So pay close attention. You need to define how you pay yourself, not just how much. Sarah was taking random amounts whenever she felt like it. Some months $1,000, some months she took $5,000, some months she took nothing at all. This is financial chaos. Here's what we implemented instead. For S Corps and LLC tax as a S Corp, we set Sarah up with a reasonable salary plus distributions. The salary covers her self-employment taxes, and distributions are tax-efficient money in her pocket. This single strategy saved her $4,800 in taxes in the first year alone. For you solo business owners, if that's you, we use owner draws, but with a twist. They're scheduled and predictable. No more random money grabs. So here's your action step right now. Decide on a monthly amount you're going to pay yourself. Start with something sustainable. Even if it's $2,000 a month, the goal is consistency, not perfection. Sarah started with $3,500 a month. Within 6 months, she increased that amount to $6,000, but she never missed a month. The consistency changed everything. Now I know what you're thinking, but what if I don't have enough some months? Here's the truth. If your business can't consistently pay you a modest salary, you don't have a business problem. You have a pricing problem or an efficiency problem, and fixing that will grow your business faster than anything else you do. Step number 3, we set up an emergency fund and retirement. Step 3 is where we start building real wealth, not just covering today's expenses. Sarah had been a business owner for 3 years with zero in savings, not because she couldn't save, but because she had no system for it. Here's what we did. First, we built her an emergency fund. The target, 3 to 6 months of personal living expenses, not business expenses. For Sarah, that was $18,000. But here's the key. We didn't wait until she had extra money. We made it automatic. Every month, $500 went straight into emergency fund. No decision making, no willpower required. Month 1, $500 went in. At month 6, there was $3,000. In month 12, there was $6,000, and by month 36, there was $18,000, the full emergency fund needed. Sarah told me having that emergency fund was like having a security blanket for the first time in her adult life. Then we tackled retirement. For business owners, this is where you can really win. We set up a SEP IRA that allowed Sarah to contribute up to 25% of her income. In her first year, she put away $15,000 while reducing her taxes by $3,750. The beautiful part, every dollar she saved for retirement was a dollar she didn't pay taxes on today. It's like the government is paying you to prepare for your future. Step 4 is automate everything, because willpower is overrated. Sarah went from spending 3 to 4 hours every week manually moving money around, paying bills, trying to remember what she needed to save. It was exhausting and inconsistent. Here's what we automated. Number 1, automatic transfers to emergency fund, $500 every month, no exceptions. Number 2, we automated the retirement contributions, $1,250 monthly to her SEP IRA. Number 3, all reoccurring expenses on auto pay. And 4, we automated the tax savings, 25% of the revenue transferred weekly. The result, Sarah went from spending 4 hours a week on money management to 30 minutes a month just reviewing everything. Her savings rate went from 0% to 35% of her income. She told me it's like having a financial assistant that never takes a day off and never makes mistakes. Step 5, get expert help, because you can't be the expert at everything. Look, you're already wearing 10 different hats in your business. Marketing expert, sales expert, operations expert, HR expert. The list goes on. A financial advisor isn't an expense, it's an investment. Having a financial advisor has helped Sarah save over $7,200 in taxes in just year 1, more than making up for the work that was completed. In reality, she ended up with a 300% return on her investment by hiring the financial advisor. More than that, having a professional watching your back gives you the peace of mind to focus on what you do best, growing your business. So here's your action step. Interview 3 financial advisors this month. Ask them specifically about business owner tax strategies, retirement planning, and cash flow management for business owners. The right advisor will pay for themselves in the first year. I actually have a video that I'll link up here where I talk about the 3 different ways a financial advisor gets paid. You may want to check that out. And there's also a downloadable PDF that will walk you through the questions you should ask every advisor you're considering hiring. Let me tell you where Sarah is today, 18 months later. Monthly salary, $6,000, never missed a payment. Emergency fund, $30,000 fully funded. Retirement savings, $28,000 and growing. Business growth, 40% increase in revenue. Stress level, she actually sleeps pretty well at night. Sarah called me last month and said, for the first time since I started my business, I feel like I'm actually building wealth, not just staying busy. I'm finally paying myself like a successful entrepreneur that I am. That is transformation, and it's available for you right now. If you're ready to stop being the lowest paid person in your business, I want to help you personally. I'm offering a 30-minute financial strategy sessions where we will review your specific situation and we will create a custom roadmap for your business and your personal finances. If that's something that's interest to you, click the link in the description below or check out the pinned comment to book your session. We will uncover exactly what's keeping you stuck and build a plan to fix it. I only have 10 spots available this month, and based on the comments I see on these videos, they're going to fill pretty fast. Don't wait until next year to fix this. Sarah didn't, and it changed her life. Your future self will thank you for taking action today. Before you go, smash the like button in this video if it helped you, and subscribe for more business finance content. And drop a comment telling me your biggest financial challenge as a business owner. I read every single comment and often create videos based on your questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next Monday, where we'll talk about more financial strategies for business owners.